would you like to grow bigger garlic bulbs? Hi, I'm Michelle from JMC Family Farms. We started our channel to teach people about farming, gardening, and cooking from scratch. Today I'm going to talk to you about some of the mistakes that we made this year growing our garlic. So stick around, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe. I just finished harvesting the rest of our garlic and I thought this is a really interesting comparison. So if you see this garlic here, and you can see my hands are filthy, check out this garlic, how nice it is, how big the bulbs are. This is my pile of garlic that I've harvested that I removed the scapes. So all of these scapes are gone. So this garlic is significantly bigger than the garlic that, that I didn't remove the scapes. For a few reasons that I didn't take the scapes off, I've had to fence our garlic patch because our chickens and our rabbits dig in it, so it makes it very difficult because they're constantly digging up our bulbs and things. But I thought I wanted to show you so that you knew that this is actually the truth, that I wasn't telling a story in my last video, because I had done some reading and Guelph University had done a study on showing the significant difference between if you did remove scapes versus if you didn't. So here's my separate pile, and you can see all the scapes are still on the top. So, and they are a variety of different sizes. Some have flowered, some have not. I'll just show you here quickly. So you can see all the tops where the scapes are still there, and look at the difference in the size of these garlic bulbs. So look at how tiny these are. When I harvested our scapes, I just couldn't get into these ones, and I thought, oh, I'll do it later, and then I didn't bother. And so here is the pile, and I separated it so that you could see. So here's the pile of garlic where the scapes are all still attached, and you can see this one here, I've clipped it with the shovel, but these ones are so much smaller than the other ones. So I'm just gonna grab a pile of these to bring them closer just so that you can see them side by side. So look at the difference between these bulbs. Look at the size difference. So there you go. So here, just so that you know that I'm not feeding you a line of baloney, here's where the scape was removed on that one, and then here is that big bulb, and then here are all of those other ones where the scapes are still intact. Overall, I think it's a pretty good harvest of garlic this year. There are some bulbs that are smaller than others, but considering the weather that we've had here in Ontario, I think it's pretty successful. So next step is to, like I showed you in the last video, is I've got to just group all these, put some string around them, hang them to dry. I'll show you in another video how I'll get these ready to store for winter and just get them all tidied up. My garlic patch is right beside our horse pen. So the horses, of course, are right here helping me. And who doesn't love to see a horse? Hi, Peanut. I hope you found this video helpful. Now you can see firsthand why it is so important to remove the garlic scapes from your garlic and give that garlic time to produce a bigger bulb, because obviously it makes a significant difference when all of the energy can go into the actual formation of the garlic bulb. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.